Hey guys, it is me, and I try to fix a slime. Hey guys, it is me, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. And today I'm going to be playing with my big slime. But before we get any further into this video, make sure to subscribe, click the notifications, and like this video if you want more, and comment what you want me to do next. But yeah, without further ado, let's go on to this video. Okay guys, I'm just gonna start playing with my slime. It's super stretchy. Oh. And I put water in it so it could be jiggly. This is the water I used. Comment down below if this is good lighting. Should I use different lighting or better lighting? I don't know. Comment down below. So big. Super stretchy. Oh, guys, I'm gonna put more water into this slime. Just a little. Oh, here. I don't know if you guys can see the water, but the water is inside the slime. Sorry if you hear noises in the background. My TV is on, and my dad is watching a movie in the other room over here. But the door is open, so yeah. Here it is. Okay. I'm gonna try to mix. Look, I'm gonna try to mix all the slime. So I'm gonna mix. I like mixing like that so I can get all the water. And I think I'm done already because I do that and it just mixes real quick. And if you do add water sometime or all the time, or I don't know, it will turn sticky. Whoa, that just dropped. Okay, so I'm gonna put my contact lens solution inside my slime. Should I just mix it like I did? Kind of worked, I guess. Yes, it's good water. I did not stick my slime on top of the thing. I think it just needs like a little bit more of contact lens solution. Okay. Mix. Oh my gosh, it flew out. I already thought that would happen already because you're mixing it so fast. And actually, the more water you put, just put a little bit at a time, not a lot, because then you're going to have to mix a lot. So, yeah. Oh. Super crunchy. Should I add more water? I don't know. Should I? Yeah, I should. Okay. Well, it's so stretchy when you have the water and then you stretch it. If you add too much water, you cannot mix it like this. But it looks super cool in the middle when you're mixing it. Comment down below if you've tried this before. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not that sticky this time. It's jiggly. I don't know if I can show you guys. But it's jiggly. Ugh, it's too sticky. Or like not sticky, but it's hard to handle with one hand because I have to hold the bowl and then I do that to poke it if it's in the bowl. But Yeah, you guys know what I mean. Okay, guys, I think I have to wrap it up here. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye, guys. Peace.